Hello my friends! Welcome to Bedtime Stories with Lily. The book I'm reading you today is called Just a Baby Bird by Mercer Mayer. You already know what are baby birds and the birds. Look, he is a little baby bird, and we can see how this little baby bird becomes bigger till he is a grown-up bird. So, let's read a story what happened to a little baby bird. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear peep, peep, peep. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful. My dad is tiptoeing, me and my sister. Look, there is even a little mouse and a spider. They are also very curious and they are tiptoeing with us. But the baby bird hops away. Dad pokes holes in a box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. And we don't find a nest. But Dad gets stuck in a tree. He can't climb down it. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she will feed her baby. Look, this is a little nest with a baby bird, and we all hide. And wait, the baby bird peeps and peeps. Peep, 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 peep. But no mama bird comes. Poor little bird. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. Do you know what is he eating for dinner? Is it a caterpillar or maybe a worm? We make a bed for the bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." And the bird is sleeping now. Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Our bird is so big. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big. I built a bird house. Maybe our bird will stay." We open the tank outside and our baby bird flies away. Bye-bye, baby bird. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. Summer ends. Fall's ends too. Winter comes. I always look for a baby bird. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run out to see. Our bird sits in the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I say, our bird has a family. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird. Now he is grown up with a baby bird of his own. the end, my friends. I hope you liked this story. Take care and be safe. See you next time. Good night.